broken home. I gave you all the bricks that I own and know. I'm letting go, I'm breaking these walls down.
Hey guys, welcome back to this Golf GTI build. Today I'm going to be changing this fender here, which is really damaged. As you can see, it's beyond repair, and I'm going to be removing this bumper here. As you can see, there's a piece missing. Actually, the bumper is not here just yet, so for today I'm just going to be changing the fender and passing some lines. There's some electrical lines under the bumper. On the same wiring harness you can find the two fog lights and the temperature sensor. Unfortunately, the person who sold me the car removed this for some reason. I have no idea why, but it's no problem. I ordered a new one from Volkswagen, and actually it came in already. I'm just going to show you here. So this is the wiring harness, and as you can see, this side plugs into the car. It's a 5-pin connector, and here you can find the two wires for the fog lights, and this is where the temperature sensor attaches, which is just on the side of the radiator. But anyway, you can see that in the later part of the video, and let's get to work.
Breaking these walls down. If you want adventure, then fly to home. But if you want to travel, then go alone.
So as you can see, guys, here there are 4 10mm bolts. So 1, 2, 3, and the other one you can see just down there, right under the windshield. So I'm gonna start by removing those. I think there's one right here. When the door opens, you can see that. And also I have to remove whatever's left of this inner wheel liner. And there's gonna be another 2 just here by the side skirt holding this on. You do not need to remove the side skirt, but you might have to remove this little bolt here. And I mean, usually you have to lift the bumper to reveal the last 2, but here, since it's broken, you can already see them. Those 2 are also holding on the fender.
If I never know, if you're gonna leave, I'ma let you go. I'm tired of the pain. Go away.
Alright guys, so here I was talking about this bolt here just before, and that will be a Torx T30. Fits perfectly. Let's go ahead and remove that.
I fell where my demons dwell. My own little nightmare, I call it hell. Oh well, it's time to get back up. Climbing and climbing, I'm done with this.
Alright guys, welcome back. So I just proceeded to take out these 2 screws behind the bumper. You can see it's super loose. Actually, there's another 2 in here that I forgot. So one at the bottom here and one slightly higher up. Just actually missing that one. So when that's loose, this whole fender should come right off.
Is what I tell myself, so I could feel something else. Yeah, I guess I had my back.
So guys, actually, when you buy a new fender, very often they don't provide this bracket for the bumper. So I'm just gonna take it off and fit it on the new one before I actually go ahead and fit the new fender.
But it doesn't mean I lost my darling. Where were you when my heart was on the ground? I thought time would prove that you would stick around. I guess time stood still, a king without his crown. Now I'm breaking and you're faking, girl. You never made us out. I'm tired of the pain. Go away.
Right guys, I don't know about you, but to me this paint match looks just perfect. Actually, I just ordered this on eBay and gave him the color code, but it's looking great. I mean, let's have a better look when it's fitted on the car, but wow, that's looking nice. Right, so check this out. It's looking much better, clean. This is just remainder of the adhesive from the foam, which I'm gonna be putting back in, I think. And yeah, there was a ton of dust and dirt accumulated there by the side skirt. Actually, it's looking much better. I'm just gonna remove the wheel so I can remove the inner wheel arch completely, and then get fitting the new one. Guys, so you can see it's not as clean as I would have liked it to be, but it's pretty good. I think the paint is a little bit old, it chipped in some places, but yeah, look at that. With the new wheels, it's gonna look pretty nice. Hey guys, welcome back. So I finished refitting the fender. As you can see, it's completely in. It's looking pretty good. So what I have to do right now is to fit this wire loom from Volkswagen. Just it goes here at the front and runs under the radiator, I believe, or under the radiator support. So what I have to do is just reach a little plug that's just in here under the driver's side of the car, plug it in, and then run it here all the way under the radiator support. I believe that there's supposed to be two plastic, don't know what to call them, two plastic trims right here, and the temperature sensor fits just here on the left side of the bumper. So I'm gonna have to find a solution for that because I don't have those plastics. So let's see how it goes. Hey guys, welcome back. As you can see, everything is now finished. The wire and harness is fitted, even the fog lights, at least the bulbs, and everything is working. You can see the little temperature sensor just over there. Fog light on the other side, and yeah, everything is working. The only thing that's missing now is this bumper, and then the car will be pretty much finished. I'll just give you one final look around, and that will be a wrap for this video.